5 Best Mice and Keyboards Accessories. Here is the product number 5. Teflon Mouse Skates. Brand name, Hotline Games. Type, Mouse Skates. For gaming optimized response. Reduces the friction between the mouse and mouse pad. Provides a smoother gliding experience. Increase the tracking accuracy. Made of 100% Teflon. Here is the product number 4. DIY Mouse Feet. Brand name, Hotline Games. Type, Mouse Skates. Texture of material, Teflon. Unit type, piece. Package weight, 0.6 kilograms. Model, DIY. Here is the product number 3. Mouse Cable Wire. Brand name, Hotline Games. Type, Mouse Micro Switch. Unit type, piece. Package weight, 0.1 kilogram. Here is the product number 2. Omron Mouse Micro Middle Switch. Brand name, Cakesy. Type, Mouse Micro Switch. Unit type, Lot. Package weight, 0.015 kilograms. Here is the product number 1. Omron Micro Switch Mouse. Brand name, Hotline Games. Type, Mouse Micro Switch. Package weight, 0.1 kilogram. Unit type, Lot. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.